Snowy weather might pause installations, but when it comes to selling standing seam metal roofs, winter can be your best friend. Hey, this is Rick from New Tech Machinery. In snowy regions, standing seam metal roofing is one of the best investments homeowners can make, but your customers may not know the benefits. Today, we have Nate to help you handle some common objections so you can confidently sell metal roofs in cold climates. Let's get into it. First up, snow shedding and retention. Customer says snow and ice buildup on a metal roof seems dangerous.
Metal roofs naturally shed snow and ice. With proper snow retention systems like guards or heating systems, snow slides off in a controlled way. This helps avoid snow piles, ice dams, and dangerous slides. Products like snow bars and guards can even match the roof color and redirect snow to safe zones. A quick note, choosing the right underlayment is crucial. Use cold, temperature-rated, fully adhered options for snow areas. Ice and water shield works well, especially in valleys, ridges, and eaves. Follow all manufacturer instructions and check for required local approvals.
Next up, hail resistance. Customer says, I've seen what hail can do to cars. Won't metal roofs dent?
Hail can damage any roof, but metal holds up better than most. While dents may happen, metal won't crack like shingles. Thicker metals like 24 or 22 gauge resist damage more than thinner ones. Aluminum thickness matters too. 040 is stronger than 032. Pitch, finish, and panel type all affect hail performance.
Next, low maintenance. Customer says, I'm not around in the winter. Who's going to maintain the roof?
Standing seam metal roofs require minimal maintenance. They shed snow, resist damage, making them ideal for vacation homes or year-round residences.
Next, energy efficiency. Customer says, my shingle roof is insulated. I don't need anything fancy.
Metal roofing keeps the airspace beneath it about 15 degrees warmer than traditional shingles. That's better thermal performance and long-term energy savings.
Next, weight concerns. Customer says, metal sounds heavy. Will it stress my home?
Actually, metal is the lightest of all roofing materials, putting less stress on your structure, a huge plus in snowy heavy regions.
Customer says, we live in a wildfire zone. Is metal a safe choice?
Metal roofing has a Class A fire rating, the highest in the industry. It's heat resistant, flame retardant, and recommended by FEMA. Standing seam systems lock together, offering superior protection.
Next up, eco-friendliness. Customer says, I want something sustainable. Isn't metal bad for the environment?
Metal roofing is made from at least 25% recycled materials and is 100% recyclable at the end of its life. It also reduces job site waste, especially when panels are run on site with a portable roll former.
Aesthetic appeal. Customer says, I don't like the look of metal roofs.
Today, metal roofs come in a wide variety of colors and styles. Rustic to ultra-modern, there's a design to fit any home. You can match aesthetics without sacrificing durability.
Finally, property value. Customer says, I won't live here in 50 years. Why spend more?
Metal roofing boosts resale value, especially in snow-heavy or wildfire-prone regions. Its durability, low maintenance, and insurance savings appeal to buyers.
So is it a no-brainer? Standing seam metal roofs offer longer-term durability, low maintenance, improved safety, and environmental benefits.
While some homeowners hesitate, education is key. When they see the value, metal becomes the clear winner.
Check out our full breakdown here. And be sure to check out our other guides in our Learning Center, linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.